6:30 a.m. and we are off to rescue a Sherp. Got my Sherp loaded up, tools loaded up, and it spun a wheel bearing out long ways from its home. So we've got about a 3.5 hour drive, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully got everything we need. We can get her fixed up. Stop number one. A little bit of go-go juice. Check out our load here. So far, so good. Still making our way north. Fresh coffee. Back in there is where I did the oil well recovery video that I never ever did get paid for. Well, we're heading in the sticks now. Another 28 kilometers to go. We made it. Time to offload. Definitely needs wheel bearings. This rescue mission was 42 kilometers roughly in and 42 kilometers out. All muskeg in northern Alberta. But it was a success. We went in and got them fixed up and on the road again.